Graduation ceremony namin. We've done with the first batch kanina, and waiting for the second batch. May College of Education, Edu. Congratulations to all of you. I have 16 B.Ed and 4 BSed major in English. Love you very much. Mahal na mahal ko kayo. Hope you pass the board examinations. I love you, Edu, from my heart, from the 4 chambers of my heart. Alright, so I heard the song kanina. Graduation song namin is a million dreams. Merong line doon na para something like create your own world. So sa lahat sa atin, sa lahat ng mga delivers natin, kahit first time mo ako mapanood, you can create your own world. Okay? This is a big world, alright? And it's a world of many people. But out of this big world, you can build, you can create your very own world. That's your territory. You can create your territory. You can create your world. Alright? So, kaya mong gumawa ng mundo mo. Kaya mong gumawa na ikaw nagpapatakbo. Ikaw nagmamanage. Ikaw yung nasusunod. Kaya nga, ang term is create. Create your own world. Alright? So, delivers, o doon sa mga kagagraduates pa lang, or may edad ka na, it's not yet late to create your own world. I'm a full-time principal. I'm a full-time dean. I thought this is already my word, but it's not my own word, right? This is not my own word. It is somebody else's word. From this big word, I was able to create my own word. That's my word. That's where GDS corporate training is being done. That's where my coaching is being done also, and that's where my vlogging every day is being created, being published. That's my word. I was able to create my own word, right? So it was not late. It might be late to everyone, but I'm already 42 when I started creating my own word. Alright? But it was not late. It's not yet too late. You can still create your own word, right? So how are you going to do that? You need to first, of course, sabi ko nga lagi sinasabi, you need to change yourself first, okay? Because without changing, without improving yourself, mahirap magtayo ng mundo. Ang hirap itayo ng mundo, di ba? Mahirap talaga itayo ang mundo. So you have to change your word, yourself. You have to improve yourself. And second, launch new things. Launch new things na hindi mo pa na-experience, na hindi mo pa ginagawa sa buhay mo, okay? And third, do not fear. Huwag kang matakot. Okay? Huwag kang matakot gumawa ng maraming dreams. Kanina nga sabi sa kanila, a million dreams. Million dreams. Ang dami nating dreams. Di ba sabi nga, 70,000 thoughts are passing our brain every day. 70,000 thoughts. From that 70,000 thoughts, you pick 1, pick 2, pick 3, pick 4, pick 5 ideas. Alright? Then you launch them. Siguro naman sa 70,000 thoughts na yan, may positive, may very creative, may very productive, then go on, create those things. Launch them, okay? Gawin mo, subukan mo. Di ba? Mag-launch ka. Sabi ko nga, ako, I'm launching different things monthly. Last March, I launched my overrun business. I launched my Great Life. And this April, I'm launching my Go Your Own business. It's a new business for me. This to help the small business owners, how to market their business, how to start their business, how to manage their business. See, I'm starting to create my word. You can create more than one word actually, one world, di ba? Because of your million dreams. A million dreams, okay? Million dreams na nandiyan sa paligid mo. Go, launch one at a time. Alright? So, please share this video sa lahat ng kaibigan natin. Kahit naka-Pilipinyana tayo, para sama-sama tayong mabago at umula na ating buhay. Alright, so thank you very much, Gigi. Enjoy the rest of the day and let's go, let's go!